What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to plug a tire without having to remove the tire, and it literally takes about a minute to do it. All you use is a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and this little repair kit. You can get it at Harbor Freight for I think it was like $6 or something. They tell you they don't sell rubber cement. If you run out of rubber cement or it gets old, you can go to Walmart and actually get the rubber cement. I bought a whole entire kit just because I was too lazy to go to Walmart, but I think it's like $2 for rubber cement at Walmart. So first, pop that nail loose to where you can grab it with pliers. You're going to use this tool to stick in the hole to plug it so your air doesn't come out. Also, this tool roughs up the edges of the tire so the rubber cement sticks better. And then literally just shove that through. You corkscrew it and it goes right in. And just drive it in, pull it out a couple times. So it kind of roughs up the edges. This is actually the kit, like I said. You pull all this stuff out, grab one of these rubber plugs, grab this tool, slide the plug through the tool, through the end of the tool, and put rubber cement on it. Remember, don't be stingy with your rubber cement. You only want to do this once. I actually doused that shit in rubber cement. Come over here, pull this out. Get ready to put your plug in. Once you got your plug started, put more rubber cement. Like I said, I put way too much rubber cement because I don't want to do this shit more than once. Once you got about that far in, you can go ahead and pull this out. Wiggle it a little if you have issues getting it out. And that's your plug. And then it comes with this little razor blade. You just cut that off. Over time, this little plug will push in a little more. As long as you put enough rubber cement, you should be good. Didn't even have to take off the tire. Only a little bit of air got out, and yeah, as long as you put enough rubber cement and push that plug in good enough, you should be fine.